In this video, we will discuss about question number 4, exercise 10.1. This exercise is based on Heron's formula. What is the Heron's formula? Observe, this is the Heron's formula. And this formula, Heron is the name of the scientist given one formula. And this formula is used. What? This formula, Heron's formula is used to find the area of a triangle. What? Find the area of a triangle. And what is this one? A square root of s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What about the s? S is the semi-perimeter of a triangle. In a triangle, what is a triangle? Triangle having three sides, A, B, C. Observe, A, B, C. These are three sides of a triangle. Once we add all sides of triangles, then we are getting perimeter. And half of that perimeter will be what? Semi-perimeter. And that value will be what? S. So S is what? Semi-perimeter. And this is what? Half of perimeter. Clear? So S is this one. A, B, C are what? A, B, C are sides of triangle. Clear? Once we are having sides of a triangles, we will put values A, B, C there. We can find if we are having all A, B, C. If we are having all sides of a triangle, then we can easily to find the S. Why? Because S is the semi-perimeter. We will add these all sides. A plus B plus C divided by 2 will be what? S. Normal. But this is what? Find the area of a triangle. In Heron's formula, what we are doing? We are want area of a triangle. But we are having other formula also to find the area of a triangle. We studied what? Area of triangle. Area of a triangle. Area of a, observe, area of a triangle, area of a triangle equal to what? 1 upon 2 base into height, base into height, 1 upon 2 base into height, 1 upon 2 base into height. Observe, we can find the area of a triangle by using this formula when we are having height of a triangle. This formula, area of a triangle equal to 1 upon 2 base into height, or we can say 1 upon 2 into base into perpendicular. Perpendicular. This 1 upon 2 base into height, 1 upon 2 base into height. Once we are having height of a triangle, its height is given us. If triangle is given and its height is also given, then we can use this formula 1 upon 2 base into height. And this formula 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular, once we are having right triangle, in the right triangle, this is a triangle in which one is the perpendicular. Perpendicular, it means this is the height. So this multiplied by this into 1 by 2, and that will be what? Area of right triangle. So 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular will be used to find the area of a right triangle. And once we are not having a right triangle, but we are having height, like this triangle we are having, but in the question we are having height of a triangle is given, then we can use this formula direct 1 upon 2 base into height. But we are not having height, then how we will find the area? If height is not given in the question, that triangle is not a right triangle, then triangle is there, we want the area, then how we will find? Then this Heron formula is very useful. If you are not having exact idea of a height, then this Heron formula we will use. Clear? I hope you understand these things. When we use the Heron's formula and why we are studying this one. Already we studied the area of a triangle is the 1 upon 2 base into height, and if a right triangle, then we will use 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular. But we are having triangle that is not having height. We are not having exact idea of the height. Then Heron formula is very useful. Clear? Observe this question. Question number 4 of exercise 10.1 Heron's formula. This is your chapter. So what is the question? Find the area of a triangle. We want what? Area of a triangle we want. Two sides of which are 18 centimeter. 18 centimeter and 10 centimeters are two sides of a triangle. Triangle having three sides. Out of three sides we are having two sides. Okay, this is the triangle. We are having three sides A, B, C. We assumed let the sides of triangles are A, comma B and C. A, B, C are three sides. Out of three we are having two sides. Two sides are given. Two sides are 18 centimeter and 10 centimeter. It means two sides of triangle we are having. So we assumed all sides what? A, comma B and C. Out of these three we are having two sides. A equal to 18, B equal to 10. Observe, A equal to what? I am taking A equal to 18 centimeter and B equal to what? B equal to 10 centimeter. Two sides of this triangle we are having. Clear? But we are not having third side. Triangle having three sides. Out of these three sides, two sides we are having. So how we will find its area? If it is a right triangle, observe, if it is a right triangle, or in the right triangle, once we are having two sides, then we will follow what? Pythagoras theorem, and we can find third side. But this one is not a right triangle. It is not given in the question that triangle is a right triangle. No. Once we are having right triangle, two sides of right triangles we are having, we will use Pythagoras theorem. Hypotenuse square equal to base square plus perpendicular square. We will put two sides there, we can find the third side. But this is not right triangle. It is not given in the question. Normal triangle we are having. Two sides of these triangles we are having given in the question. So how we will find the area? If a right triangle we are having, then no necessary to use this formula. Directly we will use 1 upon 2. Area of triangle will be 1 upon 2 base into perpendicular. And by using Pythagoras theorem we can find remaining sides. And we will put values there and we can find the area of a triangle. So these types of the questions how we will solve? We assumed ABC are three sides of a triangle. Two sides we are having. Then one thing is also given in the question. What? And the perimeter of what? And the perimeter. Perimeter is given. And what is the meaning of the perimeter? Perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is what? Perimeter is 42 centimeter given in the question, and it is the sum of all sides. One data we are having, by using this one we can find the remaining side. What is the perimeter? Perimeter is sum of all sides equal to what? 42. Now out of these three sides, two sides we are having, we will put both sides there and we can find the remaining side. Yes or no? Clear? So put what we will put? Perimeters equal to, given in the question, 42 centimeter. It means perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Two sides we are having. A equal to 18. We assumed A is 18. B equal to 10. We can interchange both. No problem. 18 plus 10 plus C equal to 42. Clear? Solve this one. 18 plus 10, 28 plus C equal to 42. Now we want C, so transpose this one. 42 minus 28. What is the remaining? 42 minus 28. 12 minus 8 will be 4. And 3 minus 2 will be 1. 14. So 42 minus 28 will be what? 14. So C will be what? C we obtain what? 14. It means we obtained all sides of the triangle. Again observe what we are doing. We want the area of a triangle. For this one we are having two sides of a triangle with perimeter. That triangle is not a right triangle. It is not given in the question. Only triangle we are having. Clear? So we are having If we are not having right triangle, not having height, then we will use what? Heron's formula. What formula we will use? Heron's formula. And this one is Heron's formula, in which we require all sides and semi-perimeter. S is what? Semi-perimeter. Perimeter is given and half of the perimeter will be semi-perimeter. That's value. S value we can find easily. But two sides we are having. How we will find the third side? We know the perimeter is given in the question, and perimeter is what? Sum of all sides. Sum of all sides. Then we will put both values there. We will solve for remaining side, and we are obtain remaining side C equal to what? 14 centimeter. This is what? Centimeter. 14 centimeter we are having. 14 centimeter. Unit is given. Clear? ABC we obtained. Now what is the remaining? S we require. S is what? Semi-perimeter. So perimeter is this one. Semi-perimeter. Semi-perimeter S equal to what? Sum of all sides. A plus B plus C divided of 2. A plus B plus C divided of 2. So what is there? A plus B plus C. This is given already in the question. A plus B plus C equal to 42. So we can write 42 divided of 2, and this is equal to what? When we solve, we are getting 2 times 1 time, 21 centimeter. Perimeter is the what? Sum of the all sides. So its unit will be what? Centimeter. Clear? So semi-perimeter of this question we are having perimeter, so its half will be what? Semi-perimeter. Its half is what? 21 centimeter. Clear? Perimeter is in centimeter, so semi-perimeter will be in the centimeter. Clear? Now all the data, required data for this formula we obtained A, B, C and S. Put these value there. So then I am just putting the values only. S is what? 21. S is what? 21 minus A is what? 18. S is 21 minus B we assumed 10 centimeter. S is 21 minus C, we obtained what? 14. So solve this one. Square root of this one, 21 into what is the remaining? 21 minus 18 is 3 is remaining. What is the remaining? 11 is remaining. 11 plus 10, 21. Clear? And what is the remaining? In which what is the remaining? 7. 7 is remaining. 7 plus 14 will be what? 21. 7 is remaining. Now solve. We can multiply all numbers and then we can find square root. We use some logic there. This 21 can be written as 7 into 3. 7 into 3 will be 21 into 3 into 11 into 7. Without multiplication, how we will find its result? Observe. Now 7 into 7. I am just adjusting the number. 7 into 7, 3 into 3 into 11. I am rewriting only 7 into 7, 3 into 3 and 11. Clear? Now split this square root. This square root can be splitted like this. If we are having root of AB, then this can be written as a root of A. Root of A cross B. This can be written as root of A into root of B. So I am applying this one there. So this is what? 7 into 7 into 3 into 3 into 11. Yes or no? In the square root of 4 is what? Square root of 2 into 2. Square root of 4 is what? Square root 4 can be written as 2 into 2. And two numbers, same two numbers are multiplication, and we want the square root, then we will obtain one number. So 1, its square root will be what? Square root of 2 into 2 will be 2. Its square root will be what? 2. We are following these things. First we are doing square root of A into B can be written as what? Square root of A into square root of B. We use this one, we apply there. Once like this, square root of 4 can be written as square root of 2 into 2. In the square root, when we are having same two numbers in a multiply form, then we will take one number outside and that will be the square root of that number. So this square root will be what? 2. Now in the square root we are having two numbers, and how we are getting this one? Observe this one, how we are getting 2. This can be written as square root of 2 power 2. Yes or no? Solve this one. 2 power 2. This can be written as what? 2 power 2. Now 2 power 2 and square root is what? 1 by 2. What is the meaning of square root? Square root is what? Power 1 by 2. Now apply laws of the exponent. A power m whole power n, then a power m and 2 power 2 into 1 by 2. Once we solve, then we are getting 2 power 2 by 2 and answer is 2. So we are getting 2. Directly we can write square root of 4, we can be written as square root of 2 into 2. We know well square root of 4 is the 2. But how we are getting? We can use this by using long division, but directly we can find. So how we are finding? We are writing 4 2 into 2 and its square root will be what? Take 1 outside and this will be what? Square root. So it's a 1 value. So how we are getting this one? We can write 2 into 2 will be 2 square and 4 can be written as 2 square and its square is what? Power 1 by 2. When we apply law of exponent and we are solving, we are getting this one. Like this one and this one, directly we can say this is the 7 and this is what? 3 and finally root of 11 will be as it is. So 7 into 3 will be what? 21 and we can write like this. So this is the answer. Clear? Easily we can obtain 21 square root of 11 will be the area of this triangle. And what is the unit? Unit is required. We are finding what? Area. Area having what? What is the unit? All sides are in the centimeter. So its area will be what? Centimeter square. Its area will be what? Centimeter square. What is the meaning of the area? Area is means what? Area is what? Surface enclosed. Surface enclosed by the boundary of sides of a triangle. This surface enclosed by the boundary of sides of a triangle is called area of a triangle. This is the area. We want this one. And it is what? Surface. This surface how we will find? This is what? Area. This is what? Surface enclosed from the sides of a triangle. Sides of a triangle is called area of a triangle. Clear? So its unit will be centimeter. We are having one side centimeter, so its area unit will be what? Area, unit of area will be what? Centimeter square. So this is the way to find the area of a triangle. Again observe what we are doing. This is the question number 4 of exercise 10.1, easy one. So we require Heron's formula, and from this question you can easily to understand Heron's formula, because you know the theory concept all. Heron's formula is this one, okay? But why we are using Heron's formula? Because in this question we are not having height. If we are having height, then we can find the area by using other formula. No necessity to use this formula. Simple formula we are having. But we are not having exact idea of the height, then we will use Heron formula. And in the questions we are having two sides, but third side we require. So how we will find the third side? In the question also given the perimeter, and perimeter is the sum of all sides. We will put both sides, then we can find the remaining side. So sum of the all sides equal to perimeter, and then we can find the third side. And perimeter's half will be what? Semi-perimeter. And in Heron's formula, we require what? Semi-perimeter. S is what? Semi-perimeter. We obtain this one. ABC we getting by using this process. Clear? Then finally we will put there and we are solving, we are getting. This is the area of a triangle. So I hope you understand this question. You revise this class, then you can learn more. That's all about this class. Thank you so much.